guys, let me show you how I repaired this old, damaged photo with a single click using AI. You can do so much more, like colorize your black and white photos, and also color correct images just like that. This tool can enhance your grainy, not so clear photos to sharp, high-quality photos in seconds. There is a face enhancer to beautify the faces in portraits. You can even remove objects and watermarks from images, and batch convert your photos to other formats. And finally, batch edit images very easily. All of these functionalities are available in one single app called UniConverter 17. I have dropped the link where you can download it. The latest UniConverter version 17.1.1 is already here, and it's from the reputed Wondershare company. So let me give you a live demo how I did all of these. After installing UniConverter 17, click the image enhancer, then drag and drop the old photo you want to restore. From the AI models list on the right, you may select Basic or Advanced Repair, depending on the level of damage to the photo. Before you export, you can see a preview, which is nice. Voila! All the creases in the old photo are gone, and the photo is also much sharper. Next, I have imported an old black and white photo. We will select Old Photo Colorize from the list. Preview. And there, the photo is so nicely colorized. The face, dress, everything is given the appropriate color, and the grain is also gone. You may now export and save the photo into your computer. The next photo is a faded color photo, which needs correction. So we select Color Correction AI Model and preview first. If you compare the before and after photos, it's clearly visible how the colors are properly modified without losing the aesthetics of the original photo. The next photo is not an old photo, but it's a little low quality, with fewer details. It happens when you download photos from online or via WhatsApp. We will auto-enhance the image, and let's compare before and after the enhancement. It's very noticeable how the image information has become much detailed with sharp edges and contrast. You can even upscale the resolution to 2x and 4x of the original resolution. This is a portrait, to which we want to do face enhancements. So what changed? Well, the eyes are a little bigger, the dark circles around the eyes are gone, and the face is more polished than before. So without modifying anything else, we may just enhance the faces in photos. Let's come to the home page, where we will check out the watermark remover. Now in this photo, let's say I want to get rid of the pen holder. Using the brush tool, we will select that. Also, I want to remove the text in the mug. You can mark watermarks similarly in your photos. Then click the preview button. There you go. Both the pen holder and the text are gone. I want to demonstrate how images can be converted individually and in batches, which will save so much time. Also, you may keep the original resolution intact. The Batch Image Editor is another tool that I find very handy. You can add watermarks to all the photos imported. The watermark can be an image or a text. Also, you can batch edit, like crop all the photos to your desired aspect ratio, resize the media to the following compatible sizes for social media platforms. You may enhance all the photos at once. And the background from your images can be removed or replaced with any of the background images here. There! It's so easy with the UniConverter 17. Check the description for the download link, and you may try the software before you pay for the full version. Thanks for watching Tube Media Tutorials.